Hey everybody, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're going to take a look at a 2021 Ram 2500. This is the 6.7 diesel, clean CARFAX, 100, just over 50,000 miles in a beautiful Delmonico red exterior. Starting up front here, you can see the nice styling from Ram, high gloss black grille with the chrome all the way around. Tow hooks integrated into the lower bumper with high intensity headlights here. Taking a look at the wheel and tire setup, looks like you have a nice chrome wheel wrapped up in a Goodyear Wrangler tire. Okay, we do like new tires, brakes, rotors here at All Things Automotive, and we'll get into the exact specifications here in just a bit. And like all vehicles here at All Things Automotive, in the glove box you will find a used car mechanical check sheet. Tires are 11/32 and the rears are 14/32. Brake pads, rotors are all good to go. This is the crew cab, so you will notice you have plenty of space back here for rear passengers. You will have a flow-through center console with some nice storage underneath. A lot of space back here, guys. Around to the bed, looks like to be 5.75 in size. Looks like you have your drop-in bed liner here, backup camera. There's your hitch receiver and your 4 and 7-pin wiring for towing. I want to take a moment to show you guys that we do undercoat these vehicles. This is an oil-based protectant, and we do that at no extra cost to you for your benefit. On the driver's side here, you will notice the nice factory Ram running boards. You have all your power options right here, doors, locks, mirrors, etc. So let's go ahead and take a look and start it up. All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. This one is a proximity key with your lock, unlock, and panic. Now that we have started everything up, you will see that is just over 50,000 miles, so let's go ahead and get into some of the features here. To the left, you have your lamp selector and brightness and dimming controls for your center clusters. On the steering wheel, you will have some mounted controls here. That's going to page through your display all kinds of information for you. And over here is your cruise control, and then you have your manual shifting right there. Your four-wheel drive selector will be located to the right of the steering wheel, along with your integrated trailer brake control. And if we go further over, you will notice it does have an exhaust brake and a tow haul mode, so very convenient to get the job done. Taking a look at our infotainment center here, you will have a nice touch screen here with some hard buttons on the side. You will get a backup camera as well. It's not a large screen, but it's just enough for what you need. You also have some power options here. You have an auxiliary, a micro USB, and 2 USBs down here. You do have some nice storage down below. This is a bench seat here, so that would fold up if you need the middle seat, and you have some nice storage right there, as you can see. Nice clean interior here. No rip stains, tears, or odors, or anything like that. Just a very nice, straightforward interior. Under the hood, you will find a nice, healthy sounding 6.7 turbo diesel. Our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer, guys. As you can see, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Ready for the next buyer. All right, everybody, if you made it to this point in the video, we might just have a buyer. So this portion is for you. I'm gonna go over any dents, dings, or imperfections you may or may not find in this truck. There are not many. It's not perfect, they are pre-owned, but we like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Started on the front, you could see some paint chips right here. That's from the road. Can't really avoid that, okay? But all the chrome seems to be in good shape. No dents or dings right there. Even the chrome wheel, no curb rash or anything like that. All the badging looks good. Running boards, everything looks good. I did look at this truck prior. I didn't see anything that jumped out at me. A few spots here and there, but we would really love for you to come in and check it out and put your own eyes on it, but this is just a tool to help you guys. Okay, all the chrome there looks good. Not even a lot of use in the bed here, as you can see. The one spot I did want to mention here looks like a touch-up something right there on the fuel door on the driver's side, so you will notice that. And the inside, guys, is pretty clean. Here on this back of the door by the cab here, you will see a little blemish on the driver's side. Other than that, interior is nice and clean. Might have a little blemish right there. Headliner's good. No scuffs or anything right here. All in good shape. Maybe a little blemish here. Paint chipping off on the driver door handle. And the other thing I did notice here, maybe some imperfections in the driver's seat. Other than that, a very clean vehicle here, guys. Nice heavy duty work truck. 6.7 liter turbo diesel, so a lot of towing capacity. If you're looking to have a nice work truck, this is the truck for you. If you have any more questions, please give us a call, 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com. Shop online 24/7. You can get yourself pre-approved. Yes, we take trade-ins, and we can extend the coverage so you don't have to pay out-of-pocket repairs, so ask your sales consultant about that. Or just come out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a beautiful day.